The Malaysian government has released a copy of the preliminary report on the disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370, which it submitted to the International Civil Aviation Organization early last month. In a statement, Acting Transport and Defence Minister Hishamuddin Hussein said the decision to release the report, dated April 9, was made after an internal team of experts have concluded its review of the document. Alongside the report, the government also released audio recordings of the communication between the cockpit and air traffic control on March 8, just before the aircraft lost contact, a map of a number of possible flight paths, as well as plane seating plan and cargo manifest. They also released additional information detailing the actions taken between 1:38 a.m. and 6:14 a.m. on March 8.